guys, Mo with AutoAddictUSA here, and I am super excited to go over a new product that everyone's been waiting on for the Gen 6 community. If you guys haven't noticed, the Gen 5 community, we announced a really special product to give you guys a hint on the back side of the car. What can it be? Would it be for the SS and the ZL1, only the SS and below? Without further ado, let's all dive into this beautiful car and introduce you guys the owner and go at it from there. Let's get started. All right, guys, I'm about to give the floor to Ruben, the owner of this beautiful Camaro. Let's go ahead and give him the floor to introduce the owner of this vehicle.
Hi guys, my name is Ruben. I'm from Sacramento, California, and here's my Camaro 2021 LT1, aka Diablo. We're about to fit it with the new new 6th gen Evo Diffuser, and we'll have Mo here introducing the part.
There you guys have it. As you can see, the first ever prototype. This will be a matte finish announcement. We'll have it in both gloss and matte. The Evo Diffuser Auto Addict 6th gen fitment from SS trim and below will be available in both matte and gloss. Will be equipped with a very aggressive shark fins, equal of 4 of them. The hexagon style that we decided to go with, just like our 5th gen. We are super excited. This video will be dedicated to how to install this product, to show you guys how to remove the bumper, remove the OEM diffuser, the protection bar, and assembling our beautiful full replacement diffuser for your Gen 6. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Take off this rim bumper and show you all the details that needs to be required to install this must-have diffuser. You guys been asking about it. Before we go ahead and take off the bumper, I want to go over the details to why this diffuser was announced and manufactured by AutoAddictUSA. As you guys been noticing, we've gotten a lot of phone calls and emails and IG messages to when is this diffuser going to announce? Why is the RF-1 diffuser been sold out for a long time? Well, this is the reason. Our brand new, freshly designed, cat designed diffuser in the Evo lineup, as we have it fully modified and beefed up to make sure your Gen 6 is looking really aggressive, that go ahead and helps performance, stealth looking, and it's gonna offer in 2 finishes. What are those details? Let's get a closer look up on this diffuser and go at it from there. Alrighty guys, as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of raise the diffuser to level stance to how it's supposed to be look like. So the first thing I wanna go over is the exhaust tips. Obviously, a lot of Gen 6 owners don't like going with a single tip setup, so we automatically did an opening for a quad tip fitment. So if you install this on your single tip, it will fit no problem, and you can just take it to your muffler shop, cut open your single tip and add a quad tips to get that full aggressive look that this Evo diffuser deserves. Now, secondly, if you guys come in and look up a sharp, aggressive, full 4-lined fins. So we have one that's gonna go downhill at a 30-degree angle, a straight sharp line, and a downhill and another angle to make sure it's given a very nice, aggressive, blend-in, full modified diffuser. Does not come in separately. It's part of our mold, it's part of our cat design, and it's gonna come with 2 on each side, which equals 4 aggressive shark fins. And lastly, our one and only touch that we announced for the Gen 5, our hexagon Evo style Lamborghini inspired look, where we added it all the way around the side marker reflectors for the back diffuser, also all around our sharp lines, going across the entire diffuser to the other side, where it's just gonna give you guys a more of a pop trendy look rather than just kind of keeping it empty and just not having a cool aggressive look to it. With that being said, it's gonna be more aggressive. It's gonna sit on the bumper a lot much wider. Just wait till you see it on this car and you guys are gonna go crazy on it. Pre-orders will be available. Link will be on the description for you guys to go ahead and pre-order. My man Ruben is the first one, so I appreciate him coming down from Sacramento. Without further ado, let's remove this bumper and go at it from there. All right guys, Ruben is holding the Evo diffuser in his hands right now, right? And I got 2 pieces special as we just removed this bumper. And guess what? We currently just made the decision right now. If you pre-order the Evo diffuser or you purchase it when it's in stock as well and it's ready to go, AutoAddictUSA will be given 2 free reflectors on the diffuser to make sure you get the full finish that it deserves. Hold on, let's put this the right way. There we go. So there we go, guys. When you guys get our diffuser, you guys will get the reflectors for free, save you guys about 50 bucks in a purchase for the both carbon look-alike, but it's a smoky reflectors. So secure yourself a pre-order set. Ruben, do you recommend those reflectors?
Highly recommend.
There you go, guys. Let's go ahead and install the diffuser and the reflectors on the bumper and show you guys the final look. Hey guys, you guys are probably wondering what's this little piece right here. Again, this is just like our RF-1 diffuser. One of the reasons why we made it in 3 pieces, not for the aesthetics or anything of it, because of the packaging purposes that our cost and you guys' cost will be so high as much. So with cutting a little bit of the downside of it, no one's gonna see the bottom area of the bumper, right? So it was very smart by our cut designing department to go ahead and make the cut right on the bottom. You guys can connect it with a simple screw right here that's gonna align perfectly with the holes that we pre-manufacture for you guys that will align with the bumper clips as well. Everything is CAT designed to the T to where this product needs to fit your OEM factory clips. There's no modification needs to be done, no cutting nor shaving as well. As you can see, all the tabs has been lined up perfectly fine with the factory clips opening from the factory bumper as well. With that being said, again, this will be going on right here. It'll line up with these factory clips. It'll also go and cover up the back end T15 right here. And obviously you gotta make sure you put the screws in here. Must-have product. We're super excited. Wanted to give you guys more information on this small piece to know exactly what the purpose of it. Again, to help you guys save money on the shipping cost of the product. But guess what? When you buy our Evo diffuser, it is free shipping, so we'll eat that and cover that cost for you guys. All right, guys, and just to make sure you guys are 100% put back like factory, your OEM rear plastic protection bar will fully be equipped back onto our aftermarket Evo diffuser. Again, the way we manufacture and design our product is all fully scanned and CAT designed to make sure your factory parts are back to exactly the way they're supposed to. So that way you're not removing anything from the factory. Your sensor harnesses are back as well. Everything that needs to be back on this bumper will be fully equipped, no problem at all, without any modifications, cutting, or shavings. Super aggressive, and don't forget all the pre-drilled or pre-opened holes on the 7mm T15 that lines up right here with the extension legs coming out of the protection bar will also fit perfectly fine. Without further ado, guys, I really want to show you guys this diffuser, but let's go ahead and put the bumper in reverse engineer what we did to take it off and go at it from there. You guys, this is insane. The way that it came, I kind of want to show you the OEM diffuser versus this. It's a complete game changer, guys. The shark fins, the angle that we gave it when we were CAT designing makes the car pop and more eye-catching to the consumer or whoever's looking at your car. Let's talk about the hexagons, Lamborghini Evo style inspired to add on to the Camaro product line with our Evo product line is an extremely game changer product line to mix match with sharp, aggressive shark fins with the hexagons to really match this diffuser. And by the way, this diffuser is actually wider than the factory OEM. So you're gonna get about a ½ inch, so almost 1.25 inches of wider to make sure your back bumper is actually aggressive and not just this regular stock diffuser. And lastly, guys, as you can see, the quad tips fit perfectly fine in there without any problem whatsoever. And guess what? You pre-order this diffuser or you buy it when we have it in stock after our mass production stocking order is in stock, you're gonna get yourself a pair of smoky reflectors from AutoAddict for free. And will be included in the same package with the diffuser so you guys can slap it on because eventually, obviously, you gotta remove the bumper. And don't forget, guys, this Evo diffuser is on pre-order on AutoAddictUSA.com or with any AutoAddictUSA authorized dealer. You guys are more than welcome to place your pre-orders directly with us or with any trusted authorized dealer with AutoAddictUSA. And you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna take this car out tomorrow. We're gonna do some action shots. So this is the how to install, showing you guys the before and after, but stay tuned for part 2. We're gonna go full crazy on this car and we gotta add the banner right now. Without further ado, let's finish whatever we gotta do and show you guys the final B-roll of this project. In conclusion, guys, the banner is officially on Diablo's LT1 and we're super excited. We're gonna move over and switch you guys to Ruben to give you guys his feedback of the diffuser so you guys can hear your point of view of an actual buying customer if you guys ever wanna get this product with us. Ruben, there you guys have it.
Okay, so the product looks amazing from whatever angle you see. It slopes, the way that it's curved is just so nice. And it gives it a good look everywhere you walk around the car. I haven't seen an angle that it does not look good in. My personal experience has been amazing. They've really detailed about their work. Everything is make sure the fitment is flush and everything was a seamless process. I could not be more happy with the product. I'm looking forward to this hitting the shelves soon, and as soon as this hits, I recommend you buy. Perfect time to buy. And then don't forget, you also get a free pair of those smoked out reflectors with every pre-order purchase.
Well, there you guys have it, and we have a cool special gift for our guy Ruben, so we're gonna go ahead and open it and see what you got in there. See, kind of go from there. He visited all the way from Sacramento, man, so which is insane.
Swag,
so he's got the Auto Addict goodies right now.
Bucket hat.
There's a lot going on in here. So you get a polo. You got another polo with the carbon fiber Auto Addict.
Ooh.
Got my favorite, white polo with the Auto Addict and carbon. You got yourself a plate frame with some lanyards.
Awesome.
The Auto Addict track joggers, which is super, super cool. And my all-time favorite, you gotta check this out. This is the tan mocha Auto Addicts sweaty. I know it's summertime, but trust me, it'll be cold in the morning. You guys definitely need that. So appreciate my guy Ruben, man. Honestly, guys, coming out from Sacramento, doing what he's been doing for us, supporting Auto Addict. He's got a lot going on for this car, and as we kind of told him a lot of behind the scenes of what we're coming out with later this year, he's definitely in for a treat. So without further ado, Evo Diffuser Gen 6 on pre-order right now. You think they should get it?
100% recommend.
100%. You heard it from the man himself, guys. Stay tuned for video part 2 as we go with the action shot, more aggressiveness on it. But this is just an introduction video about the product. And make sure you watch out for our YouTube Drop 2 video on this vehicle. I'll see you guys on the next side. Peace.